Hello, my name is Ugnis from Industrial Robotics Company, and I would like to invite you to the upcoming LIGNA exhibition. There we will be demonstrating our innovative easy-to-teach solution, a technology that allows to transfer the skills of a craftsman to a robot just by showing it what to do. This way, people without specific robotics or programming knowledge can operate an industrial robot in minutes instead of days. This system can be used for operations like spraying, sanding, welding, and others. Not only will you be able to see this technology in action at LIGNA, but you will also have the chance to know more about our turnkey solutions for furniture manufacturing, like our robotic carpenter RoboMill, which can produce quite complex parts from solid wood, and it can be adapted to frame production and T-nut riveting in upholstery manufacturing. I will also be able to tell you more about our RoboSpray solution, which can handle all spraying operations of materials like paints, lacquer, adhesives, or any kind of other spraying material. And if you have manual sanding operations in your production, you will of course want to hear that a RoboSand can not only automate sanding operations, but with the help of an automatic tool changing system, it can also become kind of a 6-axis CNC machine. For upholstery manufacturing, this solution can be fitted with a staple gun and can help automate frame assembly operations. Of course, let's not forget about packaging your products. So if you package your production in cardboard, RoboCut can be very helpful. This is a robot plotter that can produce different types and dimensions of cardboard packages on demand and in-house. It can also cut cardboard as well. So I hope we can meet at LIGNA. We will be exhibiting in Hall 17, stand B05, and we can explore the possibilities that robotization can provide for furniture production. Check the description to get a free ticket, and see you there. Bye.